Hi everyone, today's experiment is a sideways plant. For this experiment, you're going to need a small test tube or test tube holder, water-absorbing polymer crystals, your measuring spoon, tweezers, beaker, and pipette. From home, you'll need to supply some fast-growing seeds and water. Into the test tube, add 1 small spoonful of your water-absorbing polymer crystals. To that, add 15 milliliters of water. Now, wait about 10 minutes or until the crystals inside of the test tube expand enough to fill the test tube. I've already done that, and I have one right here. Add a few seeds. There we go. Now, take your test tube and lie it on its side. Over the next few days, record your results. Does this plant grow? Which way does the plant grow? Be sure to add some water using your pipette every day into the test tube so that the seeds do have some water so that they can grow. Record your results in your My Scientific Discoveries booklet.